Sweet. Can blow up egg. Ew, that's our egg. That's our egg. After it blew up, that's our egg. Look at that. That's from the first egg. Yeah. Our egg adventures. Like we put it in for like 2 minutes, and there's the first egg, and this is the second one. It's all like jiggly. See, take it over here.
That's disgusting.
Ew. Okay. Yeah.
It's like egg.
But what were you saying we should do with the egg mess?
Leave it for your mom?
Well, I'll leave it for my mom.
Why not?
I'm just not.
What about that? Mom, I made you breakfast.
Okay, you know what? We're gonna clean this up now. Bye-bye.